Gerda, you just love that heater, don't you? Mm-hmm. Go sit in front of it, eh? Asadine loves it too. Come here, Gerd. Come here. That's my girl. Oh, you're giving kisses to Asadine. Hmm? It's a nice place to be where it's nice and warm, huh? Yeah, nobody wants to move today. We're all parked in front of the heater. Gerda, my birthday. You going to eat some clean? No, no, no. Mommy will give you fresh. Nope. There we go. I don't know why. She loves her Kleenex. Yep, she does eat it. Too weird, Birdie. How long does it take to chew one piece of Kleenex? Look, you dropped some pieces on the floor. That's a chewy one, isn't it? Chewy Kleenex. She picks them all. What a Gerd. Oh, somebody's here.